Welcome back, language detectives. Today we're peeling back the layers of grammar to uncover the passive voice. It might sound mysterious, but fear not. We're here to shed some light on this often misunderstood linguistic tool. Imagine a world where the object of an action takes center stage instead of the doer. That's the realm of the passive voice. In the active voice, the subject performs the action. For example, the cat chased the mouse. But in the passive voice, the focus shifts to the object. For example, the mouse was chased by the cat. To form the passive voice, we use the appropriate form of the verb be, am, is, are, was, were, will be, etc., followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, the letter was written by John. The passive voice in different tenses. Present simple. We add is or are plus pp. Present continuous. We add is or are plus being plus pp. Present perfect. We add has or have plus been plus pp. Past perfect. We add had plus been plus pp. Past simple. We add was or were plus pp. Past continuous. We add was or were plus being plus pp. Future simple. We add will plus be plus pp. Modal verbs. We add modal verb plus be plus pp. While the passive voice can be useful, it's essential to use it judiciously. Here are some common scenarios. When the doer is unknown. The window was broken. When the doer is unimportant. The report has been submitted. When you want to focus on the receiver of the action. The patient was given medication. However, overuse of the passive voice can make your writing dull. It's generally preferred to use the active voice for most situations. Practice time. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Change the following sentences from passive to active voice. Decide if the following statements are true or false. Here are the answers. And there you have it, the mystery of the passive voice unraveled. Remember, use it wisely to add variety to your writing. Practice makes perfect, so start incorporating the passive voice into your sentences today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar adventures.